Music has become a large part of our lives. From soothing music to loud music, Spotify has a robust library to cater to your taste. It has over 60 million active subscribers, with 21% paid users who have access to all the benefits the platform offers. As a college student, you can get a Spotify student discount and get access to the best songs worldwide. In this video, you get to learn how to get your Spotify discount as a student. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below to get a notification on our next video. Spotify is an online music streaming platform where you get access to the best songs all over the world on the platform. With the increasing popularity, Spotify has sought to make access to its platform easier for everyone. Considering their premium account fee, they offer a discount program for students. College students get the biggest bite with their amazing discount that comes with a lot of advantages. Registering on Spotify is simplified and can be done in less than 5 minutes. To register your Spotify account, the first step you must follow would be to download the Spotify application. You can do this on any of your mobile devices including a phone, iPad, tablet, etc. Whether you have an Apple or Android device, you can have access to Spotify on any of their stores. All you need to do is search for the Spotify application and click the download button. Once the download of the application is complete, you move into the next level of registration email confirmation. Once you download the app and start the registration process by filling the forms, you will need to confirm your email. The Spotify app will automatically send a code to your mail which they will demand that you input. The idea behind this is to ensure that you get alerted if someone tries to hack your Spotify account. After you have confirmed your email, you now have access to the best songs. You can even play them offline and transfer them to other music applications you have on your phone. The Spotify student discount offer is an offer given to all college students. Essentially, this offer enables student Spotify premium subscribers to get 50% off their premium fee. This offer has seen the number of college student premium subscribers rise over the years. Unfortunately, high school students don't have access to this offer just yet. Before you choose to register a premium account on Spotify, you get a week of a free trial. The Spotify student discount offer for college students has further increased the publicity of this music streaming platform. So, if you want to take advantage of the Spotify student discount offer, you need to follow these steps. Number 1. Create your Spotify ID. You can start creating your Spotify ID using the web application or the website, though we will suggest the web application as a better choice. You'll need to input your email, or you can simply register using your Facebook account. Any way you choose, Spotify will complete your ID in some minutes as long as you follow the necessary steps. Number 2. Join Spotify Premium. Once you have completed your registration, you will receive a request to join the Spotify Premium account. There will be a lot of premium accounts from which you can choose, but you have to be careful here. Number 3. Choose Spotify Student Premium. Immediately you indicate your interest to join the premium account, you will get access to 3 premium offers. You don't need to choose anyone except the Student Premium. The Student Premium account is where you get your Spotify student discount, which gives you 50% off the normal premium fee. Number 4. Provide necessary details. After you have chosen the Spotify Student Premium account, you will need to do some verification. The essence is to enable Spotify to grant this access to students only. They will request that you present a Share ID and other documents including a class schedule, transcript, registration or tuition receipt, or a letter of enrollment. Number 5. How to get a Share ID. Share ID is a YouTube membership plan for students and institutions. The eligibility of your institution is determined by Share ID. So, to check if your school has student plans available, visit the student plan landing page for YouTube Premium or YouTube Music Premium. Select Get Student Plan. Type in your school on the Share ID form. If your school appears, then student plans are available. Once your school is listed there, you will need to fill in your name, email address, and country. After that, Spotify will need you to upload at least 3 of the documents we mentioned earlier. These documents must be uploaded in JPG, PNG, PDF, GIF, or RTF. After you finish this process, you can then make a payment. Number 6. Complete payment process. After you submit your documents, they'll need to be verified. This doesn't take a long time depending on your time of registration. When the verification is complete, you'll need to make complete payment to enjoy the best quality of audio that Spotify Premium offers. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please share your opinions in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.